All right, guys, in the final week of May 2025, several breaking developments highlighted XRP's intersecting role with the U.S. government and finance and regulation. These include the U.S. Treasury's recognition of Ripple issued stablecoin. In official analysis, a new partnership bringing tokenized U.S. Treasuries, of course, Treasury securities, onto the XRP Ledger, and regulatory signals hinting, of course, at broader adoption of XRP, as we all know. Under clearer rules, we're going to have to see. I don't know. We're just going to have to see. I don't know what to say about this. Today, a U.S. Department of Treasury presentation to the Treasury Borrowing Advisory Committee, or the TBAC, explicitly included Ripple's USD RLUSD pegged stablecoin alongside Tether's USDT and also Circle's USDC. That's what the official report said, focusing on stablecoins' growing role in Treasury markets. We're just going to have to see what happens with all this. I mean, I don't know, guys. I would say since they grabbed Hidden Road, I think we all can agree that, things have changed. That move connecting DeFi with TradFi, literally creating the bridge between the two. A huge deal. I don't know what else to say on that. I mean, we're going to see what happens. I mean, I'm going to hop in and get into where did we go? I'm going to get into some of our numbers on the day today. We have a total cryptocurrency market cap at 3.42 trillion. Fear and greed index sitting at 65. Bitcoin coming in at 108,000. Ethereum at 2,700 and $15. XRP at $2.28, and Cardano's at 75 cents. XLM's at 28 cents. Hedera's at 18 cents. And we are going to jump into, let's see, let's jump back. Let's actually, you know what? Let's get this little article up. Which is, sorry. XRP, let's see, Treasury is today. Let's grab one of these and just run through this real quick. Vivo Power. So let's run through this. XRP joins crypto treasury trend as Vivo Power raises $121 million to launch XRP Reserve. Nasdaq listed Vivo Power raised $121 million in a private offering with investors. The company will use most of the proceeds to establish its XRP treasury strategy. XRP is down near. Okay, we don't care. We don't care. All right. Vivo Power poised to be first XRP treasury backed company. Electrical energy company Vivo Power announced that it entered into an agreement with investors for a private offering. The company issued an aggregate of 20 million shares at an average price of $6 per share, generating proceeds of approximately $121 million. The investment was led by His Royal Highness Prince Abdulaziz bin Turkey, chairman of 11th Holding. I'm sorry, I destroyed that name. I'm sorry, sir. We are honored to be leading this capital raising for a company that will be the first in the world to execute an XRP-focused treasury strategy, Prince said in a press release on Wednesday. I don't want to disrespect this gentleman and destroy his name. I'm terrible with names. I'll say His Royal Highness. Vivo Power stated that it will purchase XRP with a majority of the funds as part of its broader strategy to establish an XRP Treasury reserve. This is the first time a public company has launched an XRP Treasury strategy. As a long-term holder of XRP myself, we all share a common vision and objectives with regards to how a publicly listed XRP-focused treasury company can be scaled for the benefit of the XRP community and Vivo Power stakeholders alike, noted Vivo Power Executive Chairman Kevin Chin. The closing of the offering will be determined by several factors already laid down by the company. Adam Trademan, former Ripple board member and CEO of SBI Ripple Asia, has joined Vivo Power as chairman of the board of advisors. The development follows a major shift in institutional appetite for digital assets, as more companies are adding cryptocurrencies as their primary reserve asset. XRP now joins other top cryptocurrencies as corporate reserve assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. It also comes at a time when several U.S. exchange-traded funds, or ETF issuers are awaiting a decision from the SEC on their XRP ETF filings. Bloomberg analysts Eric Balchunas and James Seifert stated in April that XRP ETFs have an 85% chance of approval by regulators. I say it could be higher than that. XRP is down nearly 2% the past 24 hours and blah, 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 blah. Too tight of a time frame. Who cares? Yep. All right. So, I think we're good. I think that, J.D. Vance calls for crypto market structure bill, blasts anti-crypto regulators today. I think there's a Bitcoin conference today or something. Bitcoin retreats despite GameStop and K33 Treasury boost. Oh, Bitcoin stuff. Crypto today. Okay, spot. Okay, all right, fine. Yep. XRP joins. Here you go. XRP joins Treasury as Vivo Power 121. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. Well, that's going to do it for today, guys. And thank you for tuning in. This is our shoddy live cast. Thank you for bearing with our rawness and our Frank not knowing what the heck he's doing. But make sure you please tap the like and subscribe button. And also remember our link down below for Caleb and Brown, where you want to get connected with your crypto concierge service and get your own crypto broker. And cash out the largest dollar amounts you want to and not worry about it, not have limits and things like that when you cash out, and also have the exchange be up for you and not be crashed and all that nice stuff. So please check out our link for Caleb and Brown. Get connected with those awesome folks over there, please. Also, one-time trading fees as well. I have to throw that in because you don't get killed coming in, going out with Caleb. So anyway, have a lovely, lovely evening, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Oops, here. I need to remember to do this. Sorry. Yeah, thank you for tuning in, everybody, to Crypto Info, Blockchain Made Easy with Frank the Crypto Tank, and we will catch you early in the morning with our next live We love you guys. Have a great evening. Enjoy.